Today I'll show you how I made these camping window covers for my Hummer H3. If you're interested in getting cool crap like this in the mail and supporting the channel, check out our Cool Crap Club on Patreon. Let's get to it. I'm going to be making some camping window covers out of this Reflectix. Snip open the package here. With a tape measure, I'm going to get an approximate length for these windows. Driver and passenger windows are approximately 30 inches. The rear passenger windows, about 27 inches. The rear, about 24 inches. Approximately 52 inches for the rear window. Now I can cut out sections to the length of the measurements I took earlier. And lastly, 57 inches for the windshield. Now I've got all 8 rough cuts for the windows made, and I can start tracing them on the actual windows themselves. I really want this Reflectix to ride up really tight around that weather seal, almost like it's part of the window fitting in there. So I want it to really smush in there nice. And that'll allow this inside to ride just really tight. You know, I mean, super snug. It looks extremely clean. So I'll finish cutting this one out and we'll get this window done. I'm really satisfied with how that turned out. With this one properly sized, I can use it as a template for the passenger side window. Time to go test fit. Alright, and passenger front window is now complete. Now with the front driver and passenger side windows fully cut out, I'm going to move on to the rear passenger windows. And I'll follow the same procedure for these. I'm very impressed with how well this is turning out. Oh, I can cut that one up. Nice. Got that one in there. Now onto the rear window. And for the final step, I'm going to cover the windshield. And one limit to using the 16-inch wide roll is that there's about 2 inches at the top of the window that is uncovered. I'm actually going to put a black tint strip along that, which will hopefully eliminate the issue for me. Another option would be taping on just a 2-inch strip along the top. There should be plenty of extra left over to do that. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to check out our Patreon page if you want to play a bigger role in developing more H3 content. See you next time.